We're going to demonstrate now an internal corner. So you need to take out a small section of this batten here in order to accommodate that flashing. We give it a little bit of room because why not? So yeah, we just put a saw blade through here and run the same saw blade through here. So we've taken out that piece of the batten. So we're ready to install this side flashing now for the internal corner. Again, we ask you to put 3 clips up this side flashing. We've slipped a rapid flashing in again to take up this bottom corner. And we'll just fix the panel back. Three slate clips on this side flashing again. The only other piece that you need is a small piece of expanding foam tape. And we put this where the panel sits on top of the flashing. Just there. Something else to bear in mind when you're doing an internal corner, obviously you have to have somewhere for your tiles to hang, so we've put in an additional batten here. That'll be up to your roofers, and there is a full roofing guide on the website, by the way. That just allows you again to hang your tile like so. So now we've got the bottom flashing in place and everything's ready for the roofers. Just ping those clips on again, and that's an internal corner finished. It's very simple.